or angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. Okay. So let us check one this. See how the light is incident on the surface and how it get reflected. How it get reflected. One more time. Incident light ray, reflected light ray, normal. So angle of incidence here theta I. This is angle of reflection theta r. Angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. Next, second law. First one, what is better? Angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. Second one, the incident light ray normal drawn to the mirror and reflected light ray all are lying in the same plane. Incident light ray, reflected light ray, normal drawn to the mirror. So all are lying in the same plane. Once you observe plane, see this one, okay. Incident light ray, reflected light ray, normal down, all are in the same plane. This purple color, light purple color you observe better, light purple color, okay, right. Angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. Incident light ray, reflected light ray, normal, all are lying in the same plane, okay, right. See, when light hits the metal, electrons vibrate with the same frequency as that of incident radiation and re-radiates the same energy. Re-radiates the same energy. So let us take. So let this be a metal. So electrons, So electrons. So when light is incident, h nu is the light, energy of light. Nu is the frequency, Nana. Nu is the frequency. When light is incident on the metal surface, this energy absorbed by the electrons and reflected with same frequency. Reflected with same frequency of light does not change here, constant. Okay, right. See, let me ask one question. A ray of light is incident at an angle of 35 degree on a plane mirror. What is the angle theta? See, check this diagram. So let this be the normal. Okay. So this is 90 degree, na? How much? How much? 55. So this is also 55 degree. Angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. Theta I is equals to theta R. So this is 55, 55. Automatically this 35, this is also equals to 35 degree. 35 degree. So which option is right? B option is right. So once again you check better. Okay. See, draw a normal. Draw a normal. What happened? 1 second. Draw a normal. First, what is the first law of reflection? Angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. So angle between normal, theta I, here theta R same, theta I is equals to theta R. So this is 90 degree, na? So remaining also equals to 35 degree. So B is the right answer. Okay, right. Next, types of reflection. Specular reflection, it is also called regular reflection. Regular reflection, specular reflection or regular reflection. Once you observe this diagram, so what happens? So angle of incidence in every time, if we draw the normal for each light ray, angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. Say observe 1 1 same 1 1 1 1 same. So this kind of reflection is called specular or regular. Mirror like reflection at a specific angle is known as a specular reflection. Specular reflection. Next, once again, angle of incident, angle of reflection in every case, first, second, third, same. Okay. Next, diffuse reflection, it is also called irregular reflection. Irregular reflection. Okay. See, once you observe first example, second example, third and fourth, incident angles are same in each case, but reflections are different. Irregular reflections, not even reflections. Okay. Randomly they are reflecting. Suppose a glass is break into pieces. Glass is break into pieces. It observes. How do you observe about this? Sparklings, number of light rays coming from that, not in a particular order, randomly they are coming. Okay. So that is the example for diffuse reflection. Diffuse reflection. Okay. Right. So that's all about today. So remaining we will discuss tomorrow. Okay. Have a nice day. Hope everything is clear. Right. Bye bye. Have a nice day.